Yes, you can see the truck is coming and unloading the materials to the site. Anlasın.
Birikizlikte kayna yapıyoruz. Sabaha kadar çalışıyoruz. Ben de birikizlik çalışıyorum. Adam tuttular 2 tane adam 10 milyara. O da 2 birikizlik çalışıyor. Biz ilaç kaynatacağız. Ben de çalışıyorum. Sabah saat 8'de ben işimi bitirdim yani birikizlik.
You can see the excavator, crawler excavator, and opening the concrete line site and now working and operating, and you can see the loading the ground to its bomb, taking it, and its capacity is about 50 tons. Excuse me, it's 30 tons capacity. The crawler excavator capacity is 30 tons. And it's working. You can see the excavator working. The condition is very hard, and the highest deep is 7 meters. And this side you can see 7 meters. Excavator taking loading from 7 deep centimeters, 7 meters. You can see.